What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Saber Sauce here. Today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT. More specifically, we're going to be talking about how to bypass something like an AI text classifier if you were going to use this type of thing on homework or something. So, just as a sample prompt, I told ChatGPT to write a 500-word essay on the anatomy of a Burmese python. I don't know anything about that, but it gave me an essay, and unfortunately, if you were to just copy and paste this into an AI text classifier like this, it would say it's probably going to be AI generated, and you don't want to get a response like possibly because you don't want to throw suspicion on yourself if the professor already knows you don't know what you're talking about. So a quick tool that I found was you could just use something like an AI text rewriter. This is not an AI text rewriter, I don't think. But I would recommend this website. I found it. I'll link it in the description. Don't put it on simple because it'll come up bad if you do. Make sure it's on intelligent so that it gives you something actual useful. You can put in this, it'll rewrite it. You just have to give it a second. So things like this, it's very simple, but the way that the AI text classifiers work is they essentially take the text and they check to see what the AI would put if it was given that prompt. And as we can see here, it gives you a much more muddled response, and I have a feeling that your professor probably wouldn't throw any suspicion on you if it said something like it was unclear. And it didn't change up the text to make it look worse by any means. I think you could still get a very good grade if you put something like this in, assuming you didn't get caught. I wouldn't recommend you cheat on anything because you really need to learn the material instead of doing that, but if it's something you don't care about and you just want to get a good grade, this is here for you if you do want to use something like this. If you like these kind of content and AI content, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more. Alright, bye.